This is my Chromebook running Chrome 118, and today I'd like to do a power wash, pretty much resetting my Chromebook to factory settings. You can get into settings by clicking on here and clicking the gear icon, or you can click over here and then type settings, and you'll have that. From here, you can click accounts and just scroll down over here. Just keep on scrolling down to the very end. So scroll down. Once you get to the very bottom, you can click advanced and click on advanced. So you're at advanced, continue scrolling down to the very bottom. Keep on scrolling down, and then you'll finally see at the very bottom power wash. That's what you want to do. You want to click on reset, and then click on restart. That's it. If you want to factory reset your Chromebook that's running at least Chrome 118, that's the way I found it. For older Chromebooks, it might not be valid. You can see it's in the process resetting this Chromebook. So it resets to this screen, and then you just have to follow instructions. Power wash, click continue, wait for it to do its thing. It's a blank screen again, but it's doing its thing, and then it does this. Still blank. And then it boots up. If you have an older Chromebook, it might take a while to do the power wash. You can see mine's done factory resetting, and I'm ready to use it.